Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at quick wins which are aimed at getting you through English for grade 10 to 12 so that you can be a champion. For this video, what we're going to be looking at is paper 1, but specifically the comprehension section. Now if we look at paper 1, there are 5 questions. Firstly, the comprehension, then the summary, moving to the advert, cartoon, and your textual editing. For later videos, we will be going in depth for each question in paper 1, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications below. Comprehension skills are extremely important in this day and age, where we are filled with so much information. This is a skill that is going to assist you not just in your examinations, but also out there in the real world. For the comprehension, you firstly need to read through the passage quickly so that you can understand exactly what's happening. Next, you need to take note of the title, author, introduction, and conclusion. The intro and conclusion will give you ideas of what the text is about. You need to ask yourself questions of who, what, where, when, why, and how. You will then need to read through the comprehension questions, keeping in mind the passage that you have just read. This will give you clues as to where to find the answers for the questions. You now can read through the passage again. This time, highlight the main ideas in each paragraph, and you might find also that words that were once difficult might become clearer now. Here are some important things to note. Put your eyes into search mode when you are reading the second time around, so that you focus and know exactly what to look for. Do not copy straight from the text. When you are answering your questions, you need to ensure that you are using your own words. Avoid starting questions with conjunctions such as because, and, but, and so. Pay attention to the mark allocation for each question. The mark allocation is usually a suggestion of the number of points and also explains to you how much time you should spend on each question. Write clearly and neatly so that there are no discrepancies and the marker is able to see exactly what you have written. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And turn on notifications so that you can stay up to date every time I post a new video.